Hi, this is Caleb, and this is my Lego house. And take the roof off. And this is the window part. Here. This is the window part. And that's the bathroom. And these are the bedrooms. That one. And this is the kitchen. And it's got 2 stools. And it's got 2 cups. And this is the lounge room. And this is the real door. And they can open up. And this is the other door to get in the bedroom. Into this bedroom.
Watch your hand.
And then the other one, you'd only just have to climb through the window.
Who built all this?
Me,
What is your name?
Caleb. And these are the people who live in the house. This is the dad. And this is the mom. And this is the teenager boy. And that's my house.